Behold the yellow Ferrari 849 Testarossa, a supercar that redefines power, design, and luxury. Every angle, every detail screams perfection. From its aggressive front, muscular rear, to its race-inspired interior, this Ferrari isn't just seen, it's felt. Watch closely, because this is Ferrari mastery like you've never experienced. The Ferrari 849 Testarossa is not just a car, it is a statement of dominance, heritage, and future Ford engineering. Wearing its iconic yellow paint and showcased under pure white showroom lighting, this machine represents Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. Every curve, every vent, and every sound it promises is engineered to ignite emotion before the engine even starts. From the first glance, the Ferrari 849 Testarossa commands attention. Its low-slung stance, wide body, and sculpted aerodynamic lines reflect decades of Ferrari racing DNA refined for the modern era. The glossy yellow finish amplifies every reflection under the white LED lights, transforming the car into a moving piece of automotive art. This is a Ferrari designed not only to be driven, but to be admired, filmed, and remembered. Key design and exterior features. The exterior of the Ferrari 849 Testarossa is a masterclass in aerodynamics and aggression. The front fascia features sharp air intakes and precision-shaped vents that channel airflow efficiently, improving cooling and downforce at high speeds. The headlights are slim, modern, and purposeful, giving the car a predatory stare that instantly signals performance. From the side, the Testarossa's flowing lines create a perfect balance between elegance and muscle. Deep side air intakes feed the engine with cool air, while enhancing the car's visual width. The carbon fiber components, including splitters and aerodynamic elements, reduce weight and increase structural rigidity. At the rear, the Ferrari 849 Testarossa showcases its power with a bold diffuser, sculpted exhaust outlets, and a stance that screams acceleration even when standing still. Every exterior feature serves both beauty and function. Nothing is decorative without purpose. WT engine and performance features. At the heart of the Ferrari 849 Testarossa lies a high-performance Ferrari-engineered powertrain built to deliver explosive acceleration and razor-sharp response. The engine bay reveals a combination of precision-machined metal, carbon fiber elements, and Ferrari branding, emphasizing craftsmanship as much as raw power. Advanced cooling systems, optimized airflow channels, and lightweight materials work together to ensure consistent performance under extreme conditions. The exhaust system is tuned not just for efficiency, but for emotion, producing a sound that builds from a deep growl to a spine-tingling roar as RPMs rise. This Ferrari is engineered to dominate both the road and the track, delivering confidence at high speeds while remaining controllable and refined. The lead interior features and luxury design step inside the Ferrari 849 Testarossa, and you enter a cockpit designed entirely around the driver. The premium leather seats, accented with precision stitching, provide both luxury and race-ready support. Every surface feels intentional, from the carbon fiber trim to the soft-touch materials that surround the cabin. The steering wheel is compact, performance-focused, and packed with controls, allowing the driver to adjust driving modes without removing their hands. The digital dashboard delivers real-time performance data with crystal clarity, blending cutting-edge technology with Ferrari's racing heritage. The center console and door panels continue the theme of minimalism and function, ensuring the driver remains focused while enjoying uncompromised comfort. Like advanced functions and driving technology, the Ferrari 849 Testarossa is equipped with advanced driving systems designed to adapt instantly to road conditions and driver input. Multiple driving modes adjust throttle response, suspension, stiffness, traction control, and exhaust behavior, transforming the car's personality with a single switch. The aerodynamic underbody and diffuser actively manage airflow at high speeds, increasing stability and grip. High-performance braking systems provide immediate stopping power, while precision steering ensures total control through corners. Every function works together seamlessly, allowing the driver to experience extreme performance without sacrificing safety or confidence. Why the Ferrari 849 Testarossa stands apart. The Ferrari 849 Testarossa is more than a supercar. It is a symbol of power, prestige, and precision engineering. It blends Ferrari's legendary past with future-focused innovation, creating a machine that looks breathtaking in a showroom and feels unstoppable on the road. This is PowerLux. Power, performance, prestige. Follow for more unstoppable machines.